Hello, welcome class. I am Wasim Sheikh and today I am going to deliver lecture on regeneration. How the regeneration takes place. There is a four basic type of regeneration. First is a stem cell mediated. Such kind of regeneration takes place inside the hairs, nails, etc. In this, stem cell divide inside the one differentiated cell, while another cell is still stem cell. Got it? Such kind of regeneration is known as the stem cell mediated regeneration. Blood cells also produce due to such kind of regeneration. Now, the second most important type of regeneration is epimorphosis. It is an advanced type of regeneration which is take place inside the salamander. That is an example of epimorphosis. Now, third kind of regeneration, it is morphophylaxis. It is take place inside the hydra. While the fourth type of regeneration is complementary regeneration. Complementary regeneration that it takes place inside the human, especially a most vital organ, liver. Now, if you are going to take an example of epimorphosis, the most common example is salamander. Now, look at the overview. What happened inside the salamander? For example, this is the limb of salamander. If the limb of salamander get amputated, what happens? During 6 to 12 hours, the epidermal cell come and occupy the place of wound and introducing a clot of plasma. Now, what happened during 4 days? Upcoming 4 days. During 4 days, what happened? This cell which is present inside the amputated limb. For example, here is the fibroblasts, muscle cells, myocytes, all these cells like this. Fibroblast. You can say the fibrils, nerves, and epidermal cell, myocytes, bone, all present here. What happened? These epidermal cell make a cap-like structure like this. It's making cap-like structure, and that cap-like structure known as a apical epidermal cap. This is known as the apical epidermal cap. The cap-like structure formed like this due to the upcoming of epidermal cell. This type of cell which is present beneath the cap, apical epidermal cap, this get introduced the differentiation. So what is the differentiation? They all lost their ability. They all lost their ability. Then they became undifferentiated cell. That is a stem cell. These all cells became undifferentiated mass of cell, and these mass of cell now known as the regeneration plasma. All the cells which is present here, they lost their ability and make a mass-like structure like this on the tip of amputated limb. Now what happened? In this case, it is known as a regeneration blastema. Regeneration blastema is an undifferentiated mass of cell that has the ability to regenerate a new organ, and after a few days it gets regenerate a new limb. In case of salamander, this is take place due to the some genetic expression. For example, here MSX1 gene is expressed that may be help inside the dedifferentiation, as well as there is a certain kind of factors like this glial growth factor. In this cell here, as the nerve cells secrete the glial growth factor, the regeneration blastema enhance the rate of proliferation, means they get divide and divide yearly. This undifferentiated mass get divide again up to the limb formation. Got it? What does the glial growth factor do? It enhance the proliferation, and this is secreted by the nerve fibers. Here the nerve fiber which secrete the, that is still differentiated, is here, not here. Got it? Here the all nerve fibers. Remember, this nerve fiber is undifferentiated. Why? Because this is present here. But those which is present here at the tip of ampulated limb or at the tip of regeneration blastema, they introduce the one kind of factor, that is a glial growth factor. It is also introduced the one of the most vital factor that help in angiogenesis, that is a fibroblast growth factor. It is not only play a vital role inside the angiogenesis. What is angiogenesis? What is angiogenesis? Angiogenesis is a phenomena formation of blood vessels. Angio means blood in Latin, and genesis means formation. The formation of blood vessel takes place due to introducing a factor by the nerve fiber of nerves, that is glial growth factor. And the second role in primary state, it performs a function like this. In primary state, it performs function like this. In secondary state, what happens? Simultaneously perform both the action, but we take a primary and secondary. What happens in case of secondary phase? It is act as a enhancer of mitosis. It enhances the rate of proliferation via the mitosis, fibroblast growth factor, as well as it regulates the pattern of regeneration. How the regeneration will take place, when the regeneration will stop, which kind of need for regeneration, all these get decided by the fibroblast growth factor. Means it decides the pattern. How can the limb grow? Where the forefinger and finger, these are the fingers. If you are going to consider finger, which finger will be growing where? All the genetic makeup controlled by fibroblast growth factor. Means pattern, not genetic expression, especially pattern of formation of limb. These are the four basic type of regeneration. Especially this type of regeneration takes place inside our liver. Most of the animals have the frontiers about the regeneration. We are unable to regenerate our forelimb, hand limb. Why? In case of salamander, starfish, hydra, they have a tremendous quality of regeneration. I hope this video has helped you, and thank you.